Hey guys, today is the sixth day of learning business drawing, and today we will see a very common situation in workplace, which is tug of war. You are always in fight with some things or some people, so let's see how we can draw this. So tug of war basically needs first um, a rope because it's tug of war, and now there are few people, and I'm now using black ink, and there are few people who will be on the wait on this side, and because people are pulling, so you need to draw the torso inclined, so they are like inclined here, and here goes their hands, and the legs will also be inclined because they are all pulling the tug of the rope. Similarly, you can draw one more person here, and he is also pulling. These are two people, and now maybe, and you can extend the rope a little down, and here I'm deleting a bit so you can increase the rope size, and here you are pulling against two people, so you can draw this guy a little more inclined, so this guy is like almost here. Yeah, and now his legs are like this, and he is pulling with all his force. We can draw this leg a little better. Yeah, and now with a fine tip we can draw, and because they are all, or maybe this guy is a little no, because everyone is here, and you can also show some effects by showing some sweat dropping, and of course we will be giving it a little highlight, so we can draw something here. Now in business situation, this can be a fight between let's say this could be a customer who is giving you a lot of changes, and this is your maybe service team, and if this is a customer, then of course you can draw quick crown on the customer, because customer always has a crown, and give it some nice red color. Yeah, so in this could also be your HR team, and you, or this could be your boss and the management team. Anything, there is always a tug of war happening between two parties in a workplace. So this is how you can draw a tug of war in business scenario. Stay tuned for tomorrow for a new business scene which we can draw. Bye bye.